Hi everyone, I'm going to explain about microtome. Introduction. A microtome is a specialized precision cutting instrument. It accurately and repeatedly slices sections from a block of embedded tissue. Different kinds of microtomes are used to section paraffin and plastic embedded tissues, as well as the specialized microtomes used to section frozen tissues. In any microtome, a sharp knife and the tissue block are held in a fixed relation to each other. It is designed for cutting materials into uniform thin sections. Principle. The vibrating microtome operates by cutting using a vibrating blade, allowing the resultant cut to be made with less pressure than would be required for a stationary blade. Components of microtome: base knife attachment, blade, material or tissue holder. Then types of microtome, we have rotary microtome, base ledge microtome, sliding microtome, ultra microtome, and there are some other examples of microtomes include vibrating microtome, hand microtome, saw microtome, laser microtome. This diagram represents the rotary microtome. Rotary microtome. This is one of the most common microtome. It is used in many laboratories to produce sections of between 1 and 35 μm in thickness. Then base ledge microtome. This microtome is particularly useful for cutting hard blocks or larger specimen. Then a rocking microtome. This type of microtome is used to cut paraffin blocks through the rocking action of the cross arm. Then freezing microtome. As the name suggests, this type of microtome is used to cut or section frozen sections. Then sliding microtome. A microtome in which the subject to be cut is fixed and the knife is carried obliquely across it. Then working principle of rotary microtome. It has a rotary action of hand wheel, knife is fixed plane, blocks move up and down and allow hard tissue to cut without vibration. This is used for ideal for serial sections. Then advantages: more stable and less vibrations. Serial ribbon like sections can be obtained. Cutting and knife angle can be adjusted. Disadvantages: greater chance of finger being cut while sectioning. Then sliding or base ledge microtome. Designed for cut sections of very large blocks. Knife is fixed horizontally. Microtome is heavy, no vibrations. The knife used is a large one, that is 24 cm length. Advantages: large and hard tissue can be cut, no vibrations. Disadvantages: action is much lower. This is the sliding or base ledge microtome's picture. Then freezing microtome. This type has been designated for the production or preparation of frozen sections of fluid and non-fluid tissues, usually without preliminary embedding. It will freeze the tissue and cool the knife. It is difficult to obtain the sections. An advantages of freezing microtome is it is used for sections required for rapid diagnosis. It cuts non-dehydrated fresh tissue in a frozen state. This diagram represents the freezing microtome. This is the diagram, schematic diagram of the processing of a microtome. Thank you.